Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very funny looking Pirate Fishstick skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this funny looking character, and to begin we're gonna draw in his mouth first. So we're gonna draw one big curve like this on the top. This is gonna be the top of his lip. And then from there on the corners, just give it a little bit of bracket, just round it off. And then on the bottom, it's going to be the same curve as this, but just opposite. Okay, and then on the inside, we're just gonna, let's just keep it simple. I'll just draw one line across. Okay, and then from there, we're going to draw in his eyes. So it's a little bit strange. We're going to come out here from the corner and just draw one curve like this first, and then his eye is going to be bulging out, so it's just going to be almost a semicircle all the way around. And then in the middle, let's just add in, finish up the eyeball. Okay, and then from this point here, I'm going to add a little bit more detail around the eye. So just come up here, and on the bottom, just a little curve out. And then from those 2 points, just curve it all the way around. Alright, so now we can finally draw in the head shape. So we're going to come across here, you can make a little point. This is going to be the other side of the head. Okay, from the eyeball, just go across. And I'm going to draw one big curve all the way around. I know this part's a little bit tricky to get the placement correct. All the way up over his eye. So it's going to be the top of his head. And then now on the bottom here, we're going to come down all the way around, come back up here. So it's a very tricky head shape, and then after that we're going to draw in the little patch here, which is going to be his starfish. So right on top of his lip right here, just draw one line and then one angle like this first. And then we're going to draw one more angle going up. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off. And then for right in the corner here, just draw a little circle, and then this is going to be the strap. So just draw one bar all the way across. And then it's got a little bandana here, so start right on top of the eye and just kind of go in to the strap. Alright, and then to finish off the starfish, let's add in a little bit of detail. So here's the middle of the starfish. So I'm going to draw one line from this corner, and then from this corner I'm going to draw another line, and then on the inside corner here I'm just going to draw a little line, but just don't go all the way, just a little bit more detail to bring out the shape a little bit more. Alright, so now I can draw in the pirate's hat. So right on top here, just gonna be, just draw like a little U shape. And then this one is going to go down, tuck it in behind the eyeball. And then this one's going to go all the way across, almost to the side of the face. And then come back in. And let's add a little bit of detail here. So I'm just going to add in one border. So just follow that line on top. Go all the way around. Alright, and then finally let's finish it out with the, it's got some fins on the side, right here. I'm going to draw one line, and on the bottom here, one more. And then right in the middle, I'm going to draw another one, but slightly longer. And then from those points, just curve, connect. Just curve and connect. Okay, so same thing here. One line, bottom. And then right in the middle, slightly longer. And then just connect that, curve. Alright, so that's this funny looking head, and The body is a lot simpler, so let's draw in his neck. He's got a really big neck. So just one big curve all the way around. And then for his shoulders, it's gonna be slanting down. This is gonna be his vest. So curve down. And then the inside here, just come straight down. And then close that off. That's gonna be his vest. And then to finish off the upper body, just come in slightly. Draw two little lines and then close it off. That's gonna be the top of his belt. And then for his belt, we just add one section. In the middle here, just draw two bars and then a little angle here to finish off the belt buckle. Alright, and if you want to add in some details inside here, on his shirt, draw 4 of these shapes, and then we'll connect them. So right here, straight across, and then we'll go down. Just to add a little bit more detail. Alright, and then his arm's gonna be super easy. Here's the armpit, it's a little bit lower. Let's start up here. Just curve all the way down to the belt. And same thing here. And then for his hand, just a little angle for his thumb, and then let's keep this simple. We're gonna come down, just kind of close it off. Okay, so same thing here. Here's the armpit. Start on the shoulder, come down all the way to the belt. Start in here, just pinch it in. And then his thumb. Continue down and just hook it back up. Alright. So now let's draw in his legs. So his pants just come out with a little angle. So that's one fold. And then it's got another one. Okay, now in the middle here, right here, make a little point. I draw 2 lines slanting down. And then go back to the middle. I'm going to slant down on each side. And start finishing off his pant. And then just come down and then come across and close it. So come down, close it. And then for his lower leg, it's really simple. Continue this curve all the way down. Curve, it's gonna be really small. So just come across. And then just come down and give it a little bit of hook and then close it. Okay, so curve, same curve, come all the way down. This one curve, pinch it in. Come across, and then this one's gonna go down. Just hook it up, close it. Alright, and then lastly, it's got a little pouch here on the side. Just come out and tuck it right behind the pant. And that is it for this very funny looking pirate fish stick. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.